If we've only bought 100 packets of sweets, 100 drinks and 100 crisps packets for our shop on the night, we can only actually sell that many on the night in our sales tab, or claim to at least. However, what if we accidentally claimed that we had sold more than 100 of these, or we accidentally typoed and entered that we had entered more than 100? We can stop ourselves from doing this by using a thing called data validation. So return to your sales tab and click on the cell that says the number of sweets, the quantity of sweets that we have sold.
Right click and scroll all the way down to View More Cell Actions and choose Data Validation. The menu at the side will appear, just like it did when we did the drop downs for the seats. And we're going to click Add Rule. And what we're going to do, rather than a drop down, is we're going to say is less than or equal to, so we need to scroll all the way down almost, less than or equal to, and we're going to say 100. We can tick Show Help Text, and it will automatically populate it with some information. And what we can do is we can also reject the input, so stop someone from entering a number higher than 100. We can click Done. Now at the moment it looks like nothing has happened, but if we were to go into the cell for the number of sweets and change it to say 150, we will get a message that says there is a problem, enter a number less than or equal to 100. Press OK, that's fine. If we change the quantity to 60, everything's hunky-dory. Okay, so what we need to do now is try applying another rule to the drinks and to the crisps. Or you could potentially try and see if you can amend your rule so it applies to all three. And that will stop you from accidentally claiming that you sold more sweets, drinks and crisps than you actually have.